Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Annie. Okay, my channel's been up for 4 days now. Basically, I made an upload recently, but I feel like in order for me to do more tutorials, especially hair tutorials, I need to get in depth into my natural hair journey and how it's going, where I'm at the moment, and also get into why I wanted to go natural in the first place. For those of y'all who don't know, which is most of you guys, I live in South Africa, so everything that I do, all the products that I use, everything that I review, I purchased here in South Africa. So if you guys want to know my natural hair story, and why I decided to go natural, because when I went natural here in Africa, it wasn't a movement, it wasn't a thing yet. You know, people did not even understand what going natural was and the risks of relaxers and all of that. So when I went natural, there was literally no natural hair products on the market. All the natural hair products that were out there was, you know, the creamy crack. And it contained all the negative stuff that all naturals cringe at, you know, alcohol, sulfate, you name it, it had it. So yeah, if you guys want to know why I went natural, keep on watching, guys, keep on watching. So this is a really candid video. I'm literally chilling at home in my gown. It is cold, it is winter out here, so we are definitely going to keep warm. Yes, why I went natural. Guys, my natural hair journey, I did the big chop at around December 2013, but I had already started transitioning. Jesus. I had already started transitioning that July. So yeah, I do not even know how I stumbled upon natural hair. I think I was on Pinterest. Yes, I was watching watching videos and looking at pictures on Pinterest. I really loved doing my hair. So at the time, I was looking up new styles and how to do my hair. So I think I came across Natural Girls, and the rest was history. I would binge watch videos on Pinterest and and look at pictures and tutorials on how to do this and that. Mind you guys, I was just freshly out of high school, and buying data to go online was not easy. All right. So back then, BBM was on point. BBM was the thing to have. And here in South Africa, we had this thing called BIS. So you pay $60 every month and you get free internet. You can use your BBM for free for the whole month. It didn't really include roaming the internet, but I am frugal, all right? I am frugal, and I'm just out here looking for new things. So I found this site that had natural hair videos, and I started watching people like Mahogany Curls, Natural 85, a bunch of those first OG natural hair bloggers and vloggers. So I started going on that page with my BIS. I would literally sleep at 2 a.m. watching hair tutorials, and I just fell in love with natural hair. So like I said, back then, natural hair was not a thing. So everyone was like, why are you transitioning? Why do you want to go natural? You can still have healthy hair, healthy, relaxed hair. But, you know, I just felt like at that time, my hair was very brittle, guys. It was brittle. It was thin. The split ends were lit because from the time I was in the 10th grade, I discovered taking care of my own hair. I discovered, you know, but I was good at it though. I would wash my hair with good products. I would condition it, you know, and then, because first of all, I tried to maintain my relaxed hair. I started with new hair care routines. You know, I'd wash my hair, I'd condition it, I'd put a young mousse in there before I blow it out and straighten it. But the curse of the straightener, guys, I would straighten my hair every single day before going to school, and it just became a thing. And then I love color. You can't really see the ends of my hair because I trimmed my hair a few months ago, but I had ombre ends, which I love. I love having ombre ends. But yeah, we'll get into that another time. But I had to cut my ends off because they were dry. Okay, they were dry like some weeds. So I had to cut my ends off. So I try to maintain my relaxed hair, but you can't nourish your hair and then put on heat and straighten it and just fry the ends. It's an oxymoron in itself, to be honest. It's an oxymoron. So yeah, I decided to start transitioning in July of 2013. I transitioned for 6 months, and I remember we were going to Durban, we were going to St. Lucia for a family vacation, and it was 3 days before the vacation, guys. Literally 3 days before, and I had this disgusting transitioning hair. Okay, it was dark at the bottom, the roots were dark, and then the ends were like ombre, and it looked a hot mess. It was thick and healthy at the bottom, and then you have these strands at the top that are just thin and brittle. Okay, and I'm like, you know what, I cannot go like this. And it was that moment that I just went to the lady that used to do our hair. Okay, she lives like down the road. I went to her and I'm like, you know what, just cut it. She's like, why?
What? Are you sure you want to cut your hair?
And then I'm like, yeah, just cut my hair. She took out them clippers, honey. I can't believe, I don't know where I found the strength to do this big chop. It was a big chop. My hair, I had boy hair, okay? I looked like a little boy. I had boy hair. So she trimmed my hair, she cut my hair, and the rest was history. I remember walking out. It was a bit windy that day. It was drizzling just a tiny little bit. You know, I walked out of the hair salon with my phone, my headset, and I got out. No wind that hit my scalp, y'all. The wind hit my scalp, and it's that moment that I realized that I had no more hair. And like I had tears in my eyes. I had tears in my eyes because I've always had long hair. I've always had long hair. That was my thing, my hair. And then I realized that people place so much importance on hair and how they look. And high school made me open my eyes to how people are so superficial. I would straighten my hair and all of that, and I'd get these comments that people would think were flattering, but they really weren't, because I just found it, as a black girl, I found it to be extremely offensive. I would walk through the corridor and people would stare, you know, they would literally, you know, when you're walking, you feel like someone's walking behind you just so they could get a look, and then they walk away. I wasn't flattered. That was creepy, extremely creepy. What were you doing? Anyways, and then I'd get comments like, why don't other black girls take care of their hair like you do? Firstly, I was not taking care of my hair. My hair was fried, okay, so that it looked a certain way that people thought was attractive, okay? So I just didn't find that as a compliment at all. I felt like that was just messed up, to be honest. As a black woman, my natural hair is beautiful too. And then I would also get comments like, oh, it's a weave. You know, when you're walking through the corridor, ooh, weave. What? So yeah, that was also one of the things that pushed me to go natural, because I wanted to be in my authentic self and live in my authentic self. And see, I've been natural since I can remember. Sorry guys, my sister is just I've been natural since I can remember. No, not natural, my bad. What am I saying? My hair has been relaxed since I can remember. I didn't have a choice, okay? I did not have a choice. My hair was relaxed before I could even choose what I wanted to do with my hair. So I had no idea how my hair grew out. I didn't know what texture I had. So it was a journey. It was something that I wanted to discover about myself. And I'm so happy I did. I love my hair. I have type 4 hair. I have different types of textures. The back is a looser curl. The front is 4C. I feel like just here on the sides of my head is 4C, and then you've got 4B. 4B is at the back. 4B is at the back. No, 4A, sorry. 4A is at the back, and you've got 4B. And on the sides here, I've got a bit of 4C, and right here at the top of my head is like a 4B-ish. So I've got all different types of type 4 hair in my hair, on my head, and I love it. I love the thickness of my hair. I don't like thin hair anymore. I've blown my hair out and straightened it, and I did not like how it looked. I felt like it was too thin and too flat, so I've grown accustomed to having this beautiful thick hair that grows from my scalp. I've also experienced a lot of women rather, who look in my texture. Okay, I feel like I have some coils, dude, some serious coils, but other people look at my hair and they think it's so amazing. And I've heard comments like, well, my hair doesn't look like yours, and you have good natural hair. I don't have good, I don't know what you're talking about. Whatever grows on your scalp that Baba God gave you is good. Okay, so it just did a lot for me, because I was bald. I went from having a head full of gorgeous, hair, to having nothing at all. And I feel like it was some soul searching, because I couldn't wake up in the morning and, waking up in the morning was easier, okay? Just slather on something there and then I'm out the house. But, I had more time to myself, and the amazing part is we went to the beach and it was so calming, it was so relaxing. Nobody knew me there, okay? So I felt like I could just breathe a sigh of relief and just get used to my short boy hair, like I call it. And I just grew into it, and the more it grew, the more things I did to it. I did color my hair again after I cut it, but I feel like I was better equipped to looking after my hair after watching all of those veterans. Okay, they will sort you out. And being a South African citizen, like I said, back then we didn't have natural hair products, but luckily we had organic root stimulator, guys. Thank God for them, because that's what I started with, and my hair flourished. Right now at this current moment in time, I am at a bit of a standstill with my hair, so that's why I felt like it's time for me to start my channel, so that I can document the next few months, like I've committed. I'm trying, guys, to not put any heat on my hair. So I watched that Chick Naturals hair care routine on how to have a heatless blowout. So that's what I've been doing with my hair. But hey, that's my natural hair journey, basically. It is a journey, guys. You have times when you take care of your hair, you have times when you're tired, but that's why we call it a journey, because it's never ending. It's never ending. So, yeah, guys, that is my natural hair journey. If you guys are keen to finding out what I do, what type of styles I do with my hair, what type of protective styles, wig maintenance. I'm a mom too, so I'll be speaking a lot about that, fitness, healthy lifestyle, and hopefully some vlogs soon, guys. I'm working on getting better equipment. No one wants to watch a crappy video where they have to lean in and see, oh my god, let me see how them edges are laid, let me see, so I'm working on that, guys. So stick with me on this wonderful journey, and I promise you, we're gonna have a lot of fun together, man. Come on, I'm super cool, I'm super awesome. So yeah, guys, that's my natural hair journey. Everybody's natural hair journey is better, but I am thinking of making a collage of my journey thus far, which I will be posting next week, Wednesday, because that's my story time. Story time's on Wednesday, guys, and then on Sunday night, I will be posting tutorials. So yeah, guys, I'll see you on the flip side. Please do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and be sure to click on the notification bell to be notified on when I upload another video. Bye.